These are the elevators here at Macy's in Center City, Philadelphia. They're at Westinghouse with Epco Circle Line. I think that car might be the only one working. Alright. There's copyright music playing, so I have to talk over the music. Again, these are a Westinghouse from 1988. These are not originals in the store. They were probably installed by Strawbridge's. It's a blue Epco Circle Line. Let's get a cab view. This one has the fan off. Okay. Come on, you can close now. Oh, there we go. Let's go back down to 1. Epco Circle Line buttons. The first time I ever rode these elevators was when Lord and Taylor occupied the building. They're nice elevators, except one of the handrails is missing. Going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
Yep. Yep.
3rd. Okay. Alright, go ahead. Going down? Alright, 2 or 1?
1.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. There it goes, and that's it.